And now we will practice together. So we will write a print and something like welcome to the pet store. So the visitor come to pet store, and we need to know which animal the visitor has. So I will write animal name, and I will write input something like which animal do you have, and again /n, like new line. It doesn't matter if there is a space or if it isn't. It's up to you. So I mean there is no difference. So for example, if the animal name will be dog, so we will print something like feeding for the animal name. So for the dog can be found in the first ale. I hope they call it ale. Ale. So Elif, animal name is equal, for example, cat. So again I will print feeding for cat can be found in the second ale. And again Elif, animal name is equal to fish. So I will print feeding for fish can be found in the third ale. Else print something like we don't have feeding for animal name. It doesn't matter which name it is. We can order it for you. Okay, something like this. So here you can change the strings if you want. It's completely up to you. So we can try that. Okay, so if the animal name will be dog, for example, so this condition is true, so we will print out this sentence and the condition will be over, so there will be nothing more. If the animal will be cat, so animal name is equal to dog, it's false, we skip it. Animal name is cat, okay, yes, it's true, we will print this string, and again condition is over. Okay, and so on and so on. So I would put here lower again, so we can, so we don't have to take care about if the visitor write for example dog with big D, cat with big letters, and so on. Okay, so lower. Okay, I will run it and we will see. Which animal do you have? Dog. Feeding for dog can be found in the first aisle. Okay, it makes sense. Which animal do you have? Cat. Feeding for cat can be found in the second aisle. Okay. Which animal do you have? Fish. Feeding for fish can be found in the third aisle. Okay. Which animal do you have? Bird, for example? We don't have feeding for bird. We can order it for you. Okay? Great. I think it works fine.